Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move contacts from phone to SIM card on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your contacts application on your phone. Then you're going to tap on this three lines button on your contacts application. Then tap on the manage contacts option. And here you can move your contacts. You can tap on move contacts. And since we want to move contact from phone to SIM card, we can select phone. Then you can select contacts on your phone that you would like to move to your SIM card. And I'm going to go with this contact, this one as well. And if you want to select all your contact, you can click on all. And after you're done selecting the contact, you can tap on done. Then you would like to choose the SIM card that you want to move your contact to. And I'm going to go with my SIM 1. Then just click on OK. Then after that, we can click on move and the contact will be moved from phone to SIM card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move contact from phone to SIM card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.